Today I find myself on Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, everybody. Just wanted to say from my family to your family, I hope that you're having an awesome day and Santa came and gave you all kinds of gifts that you've always wanted, and you've been able to lead with a giving hand and help others and just be a kind human being, because we need more kind human beings. So we're going to do a little bit of a walk down memory lane over the last couple of months with a couple of little snippets from some of the videos that I've put together. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And thank you for taking the time to comment. It really does mean a lot to me as I grow this YouTube channel. And it kind of warms my heart to know that there are people like you who enjoy the videos that I make. So if you like driving videos, you like walking videos, you like hiking videos, then this is the channel. This is what I do. So again, wish you all the best, and we'll see you tomorrow on Boxing Day. Bye. no flakes falling. So cool, guys. Well done. Welcome to Elora. People come far and wide.
We're going this way. We're gonna go this way. This is really beautiful.
Can be a wonderful time of year, but it can be really lonely for a lot of people. And so I always try to reflect on what I have and what I'm grateful for, the friendships that I have, the people I've met, the people I've been able to inspire to follow their dreams. That's what this YouTube channel is. I'm just walking around, enjoying the sights and sounds of all these small little towns and the cities and driving along the highways. So from my family to yours, have a very, very Merry Christmas. And one more thing, during this time of year, treat people with honesty, integrity, and kindness. It can go a long way. Hate has no place in this world. If someone is struggling, reach out with a leading hand. Help if you can. Guide them if you can. But just realize that they are a brother, a sister, a wife, a daughter, a husband, a son. We're all in this together. So let's make this a very Merry Christmas. There's the big Christmas tree.